Hello. Today I'll be teaching you how to solve one of the problems from Energizing Physics lesson 1.04. So in this problem, you have two trains that are 100 kilometers apart, and they're traveling towards each other on the same track. The first train is traveling at 50 kilometers per hour, and the second train is traveling at 75 kilometers per hour. And in this problem, we're trying to find, first off, what's the total distance that train A travels before the two crash into each other, and B, how much time will it take for them to crash. And so the important equation used here is V equals delta x over delta t, or you can also change that slightly by multiplying delta x on both sides, delta t on both sides, to get V delta t is equal to delta x, right? And so the way you do this problem is you set up an equation d1 plus d2 equals 100, or dA and dB, right? Because that's the distance that d1's the distance that train A travels, d2's the distance that train B travels, and it equals 100. I'm splitting up the equation. It becomes a bit simpler. So what you do now is d1 is equal to dA is equal to VA times t, and dB is equal to VB times t. And since both trains are traveling at the same time, it's going to take them the same amount of time to crash into each other. And so that's why we don't do TA or TB, it's just all T, right? And so let's just run the variable real fast. 50T is equal to dA, and dB is equal to 75T. And so we can plug the values for dA and dB back into this equation here, and we get 50T plus 75T is equal to 100. In other words, 125T is equal to 100, T is equal to 100 over 125, and that will be equal to 0.8 hours. And that's the answer to part B. And in this case, doing part B would be a bit easier. Because now that you have the answer to part B, you just take this number and plug it back into this equation here to solve for dA. And so dA, or XA, is equal to 50 kilometers per hour times 0.8 hours, which is equal to 40.0 kilometers. Km, not flow. And so, just for the last part, evaluating, and although I didn't put it here, on the actual paper, you get 3 sig figs for train A speed, but only 2 sig figs for train B speed. So these answers can, in reality, only have 2 sig figs. So this would become 0.08 hours, and this would be 40 kilometers, and because 2 sig figs, and that's it.